Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you will be alright. I'm just going to teach you MS Access Relational Database Management System. In this system, you can create database. Under the database, you can create number of tables, forms. You can do the activities like queries and all that, reports. Now, firstly, you have to open MS Access and you have to click on blank database. After clicking on blank database, you have to write there database name. Suppose I have mentioned over there is AP name. After entering the name, you have to click on create. You can select location of this file also. So for that, you have to click on this. You have to click on this and we have to select the location. Suppose I have selected the location uh, desktop, and you have to type the file name, means database name, and click on OK. Then click on create. Now by default a table will be created, but you have to right click on table 1. Okay, so I just right click on table 1 and then select design view. You have to go in design view. Okay, and after that you have to type the table name. Suppose I have mentioned over there table name as uh, test team. Okay, now after naming the table name, we have to mention the field name also. There will be number of fields as per the requirements. There will be number of fields in a table. For example, suppose if you want to make any table with respect to school, then there will be school students, then there will be field name as student roll number, name, class, section, gender, date of birth, etc. So firstly for that I will have to do the work like that. Firstly we have to type the name of the field. For that I have just mentioned over there, suppose roll number, roll underscore number, then it will be auto number, means it can be generated automatically also. You can change also. Suppose I have mentioned over there number, then it will take numbers only. And in description you have to mention over there this is the this roll number. Roll number of the student, roll number, name, this is the reserved word, that's why it is mentioning that it is a reserved word. So write down there nm, the name stu, then mention there. You can take the data type as short text. Okay, and this is the name of the student, and by default file size field size is 255. We can mention over there 40. Field name we can mention over there as 40. So the size cannot be extended during the entering of the data. It will take only 40 characters. Okay, now next one is class. class, then text, then class name, section short name, section of the students, gender. Gender may be male and female. For that, you will have to click on drop down and you have to select lookup wizard, and where we can enter data itself. Right. Firstly, you have to click on I will type in the value that I want. Click on it and then click on next. Then type the data. A drop down values. Suppose male, female, others. Then click on next. Then finish. By default, you can set the by default value as male. Got it? During the entry of the data, male value will be available by default. Now you can enter date of birth. Data type will be date and time, date of birth of the student, gender, gender of the student. Okay. Now I'm just saving this table. For that I have to click on this save. Now it has been saved. Further, suppose if you want to see the field name, so for that you will have to click on this table. Okay. Okay. Now table field is available and you can enter the roll number. Suppose we have entered one name Raju Kumar, section A, male. This one is by default. You can take female, male also. Date of birth you can take from there also. Okay, that's it. Now click on save. So tomorrow I will teach you how to create any other table and how to make relationship between tables also. Thanks a lot.